Okay, so now we have Python installed. Next is to install VS Code. So we go to code.visualstudio.com uh, and click on download VS Code. So it should start downloading here. Wait for the download to complete. Once it is complete, open the file. Uh, Accept the terms. Accept the terms and condition, and we'll install it. Create a desktop icon. It add actions to the right click. Say install. It'll take some time to install VS Code for all the users. Okay. We'll launch VS Code. So first time you install VS Code, it'll ask you for setup. We'll choose the color. We'll see more themes. We'll choose Monakai. I personally prefer dark themes, so I'll choose dark theme for Visual Studio Code. So next section. So you can go through each of these. Next section, side by side editing is there, and can mark done. So one important thing, so Visual Studio Code has the option to sync your settings, because if you're working on Visual Studio Code, you'll change many of the settings to your requirements. So it is always better to turn on the settings. So settings syncs. Then it will ask you to sign in. You go for sign in. Sign in with GitHub. Because we already logged into GitHub, it will ask you like if you want to authorize VS Code. Set yes. Then if you look, should be settings are turned on. So quickly one thing, like because you're going to use Python, so we are going to search for a Python extension. Choose the default one from Microsoft. Even there are many more Python extensions which will install over time, but I think the default Python extension from Microsoft and the Python indent are the two important ones that we should always install. Okay. Now both are installed. So it is asking us a prompt. So we'll create a Python file and we'll just print hello world. So this we'll just save it somewhere on desktop. You can see hello world is printed. Cool. So that's so our ID is ready and we are all good to go to start coding it.